Hey, what's going on, everyone? Got a strong sell-off today for this Friday. Uh, I walked away with $430 today total. You can see we got 110 over here in the TS Trader um, account, and I got in my cash account. I got 320. Finished the day with 320. I was done with trading like in the first 30 minutes of the day. Um, I got I made a comfortable amount, and I could have kept trading, but this is the biggest, as you can see over here with my recent performance. This is the biggest day that I've had in a while. So, I just went ahead and locked those profits in, and just relax for the rest of the day. Before we get into my trades, the trades I took today, let's hop over here to the daily chart real quick, and you can see the Nasdaq with the futures. We broke that 50 moving average. Broke it pretty strong. So, we could continue bearish here for a while. I think what we do is, it's still early in the day, so, it'll probably be some more sell-off and maybe a little bit of retracement. But I think we've already seen the main move for the day. But starting next week, maybe we bounce here a little bit, or we could trade even down into this, 100 moving average. But we hang around here for a little bit, and then maybe we dip back down, or we bounce off that 100 or somewhere in that range. So and just to see that on the 5 minute, what we did today, you can see it. Let's see. So we broke that resistance. This is where previous resistance, from the last time we was trying to break new highs. So back in here in July, that was the previous resistance. So we broke it a couple times. It kept retesting us, in the pre-market. And then once the market opened, we chopped around in that area. We finally, broke it pretty strong here, and then retested it and then bounced right off of it. And that's when we see all the major sell-off. Now I was done with my trading. I think I took, so in the cash account, I was done in here. But I took one more. Like I took another scalp here um, in the TS account before I just was done for the day. I could have kept going just to make some more progress on the day, but I kind of got distracted with some other things, and I was good for the day. You know this The TS trader is it's a challenge that I'm trying to. I want to see if I can get through the combine and get a funded account. But the main, what's more important to me is the cash account, because I can walk away with this. Because right now in the combine it's just paper trading, really. So, but in my cash account, that's real money that I can take out and do something with. So, if I'm good there, I'm pretty much good for the day. But yeah, so that's a look at the broader markets, what the broader picture of what happened today. So for my trades today, we'll start with a TS trader. I was a little too aggressive here right as the market opened, and I decided today I was going to just trade off my 5 minute strategy. So I was really only trading the 5 minute here. So I got in too soon here. This is right at the open. If you're going to trade like the bigger time frames, well, this is a rule for myself. So I have to wait for the first 5 minutes. So I'm trading a 5 minute chart. I have to wait for the first 5 minutes of the market to I have to wait for that first 5 minute counter to close. So I don't take the trade um, until 9:35. But I didn't really have that rule set in stone until after this trade here, and yeah, that rule is set in stone now. I took it here because I thought it looked good to bounce here, but okay, it is what it is. So I started off kind of negative, but I went ahead and I jumped back in here. Where's the entry? Oh, yeah. Can't even really see that, but I think it's right. I think it's in here. I want to say the entry's there. Can't really see it because it's green the way it shows it. But yeah, and then I got a win there, and took a little small scalp here, and then the last scalp was down here short. So, 3 wins, 1 loss. That 1 loss shouldn't have. I should have made, as you can see, in hindsight, I could have made so much progress, in this account, in this with the TS Trader account. And also, I was trying out a different target. So in my cash account, my target is 10 points. But I think here I was trying to get 20 points. Of course, the market wasn't strong enough to keep going bullish, and I didn't really expect it to go bullish, but if it did, what I'm saying, I would have my target set. Actually, the way this one worked out, I didn't have my bracket. The reason why this one hit a target up here for 10 points is because I didn't have the bracket set correctly on the 5-minute chart. I had it set right on the 1-minute chart, but it wasn't set correctly on the 5-minute chart, so it ended up placing a target for 10 points, and I didn't realize it until it was too late, which in hindsight, it was, it worked out perfectly because that was like the top of that move. And then I took another one here, and I think this was the break even. Yeah, I didn't go flat in any of my positions today. Everything worked out. I traded everything based completely off my strategy. And the trades in the cash account were in the same area. If we go over here to I took a screenshot. You can see I was done before my last trade was at, I exited that position at 9:45. But I had the first one, 75.13, 75 to 24. That was the target hit, 205 off of that one. And the next one, I got 115 on that for a total of 320 on the day. So, good day. I didn't, really, really quick day for me. I have no complaints. It would have been nice to ride this, but I'm good where I am, especially after struggling for over the summer, and then when the market was really slow, and then the market's been kind of slow to begin this month. I'm good where I am. Profit is profit, green is green. No complaints. All right, that's my trades for the day. If you have a good weekend, see y'all Monday.